with an afterglow. This is the next palette in our after collection that we're going to be doing 2 looks with. Today, we did this one. I'm the only one here. I did this one. Don't forget, before you leave, please subscribe if you haven't yet. If you have, I thank you. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up. And if you enjoy this video and this look, hit the like button for me because it helps me out. Let YouTube know people like this video and more people may want to see it. So without further ado, let's get into this look right here. Okay, afterglow. Yeah, look at this beauty. So pretty. Set to close. I know that light is really bright, but if I have it dimmer, then it makes me look green almost. I don't know. It's weird. But yes, there are 7 mattes and 2 shimmers. So yeah, that's what's in here. All right, we're gonna start off with Blossom right there. Nice little light tan orange color. Man, I know orange is not the best color for me, but I don't know, something about this palette just is so pretty. I like it. See what I can create and if I like what I create or not. So, of course, already primed my eyes with Bad Habit eyeshadow primer. Okay, so there's that. Now I want to go into man, these are all so like similar that it's kind of like, what do I want to do? I'm gonna go into Illuminate, that pretty little orangey color. Orangey, that's pretty much the theme of the palette. We're gonna use that in the crease. It's not too much darker. Well, you can build it up to be darker than that transition shade. I don't know, I think today we might do a matte look, and then for Thursdays we will do the shimmer. Because it's kind of hard to do more than one shimmer look when you only have 2 shimmers and they're so close in color that it's kind of like, I don't know. I'm gonna do this pretty yellow. We're gonna use that yellow and we're gonna use that all over the lid. So we're gonna take Dazzle, which is that yellow color, so pretty. We're gonna put that all over the lid. And I'm gonna use, what am I gonna use? Let's use this thickish flat Color Workshop shadow brush. Ooh, wow, guys, holy cow. Look at the color, the payoff on that. Oh, now I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's more intimidating on the brush. Good to know. Okay, that's not so bad. It's kind of like a dandelion yellow. You know, that's what it feels like to me, a dandelion yellow. Kind of trying to pack it on I feel like if I sweep it on, I don't get as much of that color. No, I definitely want that color. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm being so messy with this right now. This is why I do my eyes first. As much as I hate being on camera without foundation on because of all this stupid redness, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. That's what it reminds me of. It reminds me of dandelions. And those pretty dandelions I used to pick for my mom because I thought they were real yard flowers, not weeds. It's the thought that counts. They die in like a half an hour after picking them. Okay, so we're gonna go into pop a little bloom in the outer corner, that bright, I don't even know what the heck color, like reddish coral color, I suppose. We're gonna use E.L.F. crease brush. We're gonna put that in the outer corner. Holla. Ooh. Really like that yellow, I gotta say. It's not too bright, but it's still yellow. Not like neon yellow, so it's very wearable yellow. I hate that I say that. Like, no. Everything is wearable, guys. Everything. You can wear whatever you want. Everything's wearable. I will do like the most glam look and wear a sweatshirt and I don't even care. Like, people are probably like, why do your eyes look so good but you're wearing a sweatshirt? I don't care. Cause I want to. I like the eye look I made. Sometimes you just go for it. Pretty, pretty color. I like that. Alright, go back into that crease shade, which was Illuminate. Blend that in. Alright, gonna take that transition brush. Just don't put anything on it quite yet. Blend out the edges. Take a clean blending brush. You know, guys, I gotta say, for this being at the Dollar General for $1, this thing has gotten so much use from me. It is like the best, like, blending brush. It is the brush I always use when I clean blend. Every time. And it is a sturdy brush. It is Beauty Accents. It is the blending eyeshadow brush. Makes sense, right? But, I mean, for $1, I don't know, this is a darn good brush, I gotta say. Okay. I feel like I need to pack on. I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. It's kind of like a pencil brush. I'm gonna go back into Bloom because I really want to like pack that on. Okay, let's do some eyeliner. E.L.F. liquid eyeliner. Nothing new. Same old, same old. Man, that is some terrible lining right there, but it's all good. We gonna put on lashes, gonna cover it up anyway. Okay. So, you know the drill. I'm gonna pop on lashes, fix my face, and I'll be back for the bottom lash line. Here we go. Okay, let's finish the bottom lash line. I'm going to take Bloom, that outer corner color we used. And take it on the same brush, that pencil-ish brush. Sweep it right under there. I don't know why I do this with my mouth open. It's like if I don't open my mouth, I won't. I don't know. I can't. See, I poke myself in the eye when I try keeping my mouth shut. Oh, it's great. Okay, so now we're going to take that Blossom and we're going to blend that out, which is the transition shade. Maybe blend that out a little more. And for the waterline, I'm going to use this brow lift pencil. Keep it nice and light. And then, of course, you know the drill. Mascara. E.L.F. mascara. Beautiful. So, that is the first look in the Afterglow palette. Ooh. So spring-like. Got our daffodil yellow, some coralish orangey colors. I like it. Let's just make sure there's no fallout. Oh, yes, beautiful. None. Okay. So that is it for this Afterglow video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell to become part of the hashtag Notification Nation. Be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I hope you will tune in for the second look and other videos. And yeah, that's it for this one. And I will catch you in my next one. I hope you have a great day. Bye.